from the local tribe known as Te Arawa. So this is a Te Arawa style. Another different variation that we have too is a hei tiki. So that's a hei tiki there. So I'm contemplating giving one of these two carvings away when we do a bit of a sub goal. Have you have shape stones for girls? Just use a flat. Yeah, I just use a flat stone. There's that one there. So yeah, brother, that's this is what I get up to. So that design is called Taratara Akai. The shape of this carving actually comes from the inspiration comes from a newborn child, like the baby scrunch, and so it represents fertility and protection too. We name our tikis after our ancestors. This isn't anyone in particular. This was just me doing a bit of revision.